to get 6 Aquablox that's over 8 feet in depth that we've got to go down. This thing is going to be a monstrous hole, but we've got to get it started. There's a lot of dirt that's got to come out of here. Hey guys, this is Frank Roberts at Memphis Water Gardens. I'm super excited to share this project with you today. It's going to be a multi-part series, so be sure that you follow with us along as the project unfolds. Today you're going to be seeing some of the process, what goes into ripping out a 30-year-old water feature like this one and building a new spectacular water garden. So with all that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's video. This is day 3. There's a lot of work that has happened here. A lot of work. They've been very busy. I'm gonna flip the camera around and let you see what we've been doing. All right, so you can see that the water is out of the main lower pond right here, and that pond up there, and the rock work up there at the top is gone. Demolition phase of the project is finished in earnest. There was a waterfall right there and then pond here. And then what we're going to do is this pond is going to be more of a stream. It's going to be a little bit shallower than our standard one. But I was just talking with the client and we may actually end up making it deeper. Down deep, we've got to get 6 Aquablox that's over 8 feet in depth that we've got to go down. This thing is going to be a monstrous hole, but we've got to get it started. There's a lot of dirt that's got to come out of here. The problem is that in order to dig that straight down, I can't see it with the tractor, so Hugo is going to jump down in there. We're going to FaceTime on his phone so I can see what's happening to the bucket as I'm digging. So I've never done it this way before, but we're going to see how it goes. I'm going to show you. All right, so here it goes. Hugo down into the hole. Cleaning it off for us, and here after lunch we're going to drop in the underlayment on top of that.
Okay. A little
Energy!
Yeah.
You can put that in the bloopers, I
There you
guess.